Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is contagious and fashion is a passion. Now, today I'm going to be showing you my birthday haul, and I bought a lot of stuff, as well as my son went crazy on me. Thank God for that. He is my only child, and I love him to bits. So let's start with this here, um, Bourke and Dooney overnight bag. Isn't that so pretty? It's very rare to come across one of these, much less in good condition. So this is what it looks like. Look at that. And then the top with the rainbow closure. Isn't it just so pretty? I like this bag, man. I have to admit, I like this bag. Alright, let's move on. Sorry about that. Alright, next is this pineapple. This is very cute. I've been wanting one for a while. I want out for my birthday. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can open it. How do you open this? I can't even get into it. Let's see. Let's try a little harder. Yes, I can do it. Come on, Tasha. Oh, apparently Tasha can't open it with just one hand. But this is what it looks like. Okay. Now moving on. Oh, crap. Okay, moving on. I got this here purse as well. The lips. The lips have it. Bravo. The lips have it. And this is what this looks like. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, so let's do another bag. I don't want to get to the Couture just yet. So this one my son bought me. Let's see if I can zoom this out some. Like Michael Jordan. Alright. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Yep. I got this. Now let's take a look inside. This is what it looks like. There's this strap. Cute, cute, cute. Can't complain. I like it, I like it. Okay now.